Hello, my name is David Buchanan. I'm responsible for the vision systems at the company Vision and Control. In this video, I would like to explain to you how to set up a simulator. This can be very helpful if you don't have the correct device directly on your desk and you want to work interactively with vcwin and simulate all your commands or work with saved images that you've got from the customer. So if we look on our vcwin, we can access the interface dialog here via communication interface, or we can push also the button interface left to your device list. This will result in the same dialog. Here it's important in the basic selection to select the simulator. And here you can go to the tab simulator and insert your simulator. But you have, of course, to configure it first. So you can give it here a name. I call it test sim. You can select the hardware that shall be accessed. Relevant especially is here this digital I/O 8 model or the digital I/O 16. So if you have only your onboard digital I/Os, so 4 inputs, 4 outputs, you have to select the DO8. If it is the one with a inserted camera card, you should use the other one. So in my example, I just use that one. Here you can also add some cameras to your simulator. One option would be to simply manually add some camera resolution, select if you want to add a camera color or a mono camera, and select some image. Here, for example, some saved image from my hard disk. So now I can insert it to my available camera list. If you like, you can also delete it again or change the sources. But yeah, that's not necessary in my first case. Here we can also add some known cameras. So you get some default settings for your camera resolution and if it's mono or color. It's not necessarily important to define a preset image. You can also add it without having a proper image saved in the right resolution. So it will result in the fact that if you execute a grab image command or something, then you will automatically load the stored image in your image page instead of grabbing the image from the real camera hardware. So in my example, I have now added 2 cameras, one with a resolution 1920 x 1080 monochrome and another camera of model Manta G125B, which is also a monochrome camera. So I can close this dialog now and insert this freshly configured simulator in our device list. So here it is listed and we can close the dialog and we can see here now that this test sim, which I just configured, is now listed in our available device list. If I select it, I'm able to connect it. So in the background, the vcwin will start a simulator process that behaves like a real microsys. Of course, it's not possible to transfer inspection programs to it and execute it autonomously. For that, you really need a physical device. But at least you can interactively test your program with loaded images and yeah, simulate your commands. So thank you for watching this short video about setting up a simulator. I hope you learned something from it and you have fun with the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.